Oh, yeah, people, yeah, my people. Them say we evil, them say we evil. We live a reason, we live a reason. Better believe 'em, better believe 'em. Cause we deceive 'em, we deceive 'em. We deceiving and deceiving. Watch out, my people. Judge and know. Yo, Chronic Class say, my real bad man. Boss fiberglass and blue steel bad man. Beat it up, yo. Yo, watch out now. Man can't go nowhere without him 45. You know what I mean? Me now go out without my 42 plus 3. That is it. You see me? Yeah, man. So we see Chronic Law get locked up. You see me? And him sang. Me have to wonder if I promote him, I try to do this to promote. Him I do this to promote him album. You see me? Drop back a prison for run up the support time him album or him project what the year him drop. You see it? We get for sister him song them a go and good half fight already still. So him wanna need for go so far for gain clout and attraction for him song get some attention. You know what I mean? So we see where yard hype show about this. You see me? With one of Chronic Law them song Black Eyed name Free My G. I wanna Free My G. One of them recent song them. You see me where I go on with things. So you see how the darker than midnight. And Sean Starmer tell us him darker than Chronic Law. You see me? You better believe. Yo, I look for Chronic Law name to know. Make me read some of this and get some more things inspirational for say. Zin? So so the post from Yard Hype. Zin say Chronic Law arrested again. Zin, not the goat N, not the dog N, not the again, not the Cohen, the again. You see me? Yes, a dancehall artist Chronic Law arrested in Florida per latest report, right? And his real government name is Akeem Jermaine Campbell, right? Yeah, what with the Akeem them now? The Akeem them were some fun type of niggas them black in the 90s and the early 2000s. They were kind of the active type, you know, so the Akeem them are the youth them well love for, you know, them love joy and sports and being happy running up and down. That the Akeem them when me know when me I grew up. That was their type of behavior. Then so I could go to the Bashy post or Bashy make. So say Bashy make post, I beg and I ball and I play, cry mercy cree for Chronic Law because he knows that people start beat Chronic Law already. You see me? And at that, them no want hold themselves accountable. Them boy we are run down the gangster image. You like we see country hype over there, get catching a big gun smuggling ring and come out and talk about who not guilty of sin cast the first stone. Look at the sin where you is guilty of. Bumbuckler, nobody not guilty of them thing they just saw. Look where you take up your done self. You are make money and so blessed and claim to say you're not blessed. Forget that breaking of the music and of them bullshit you're not going with when you have better artists out here who are seriously ready for invest them time and all blood, sweat and tears. Bugu and matter out of them yeah and shit out of them batty in this music thing and uno day in the music and do the most rubbish and garbage and then uno want the most respect and want to put down other people who are good at music like coffee when not getting a blood clot trouble. Big up to Skilly Bang for endorse coffee and give her some strength to you see me? Yeah. Because as bad as the things is we want to claim pan coffee name, she not put with a shame like them thing of them news a bag of Jamaican judge. And you see it, them people have the most ratings. You see what I say? That's why the world now go better. Because the people them who is more at risk to the nation and civilian, right? Those are the people who are being praised the most. You see me? And you know see people beat Chronic Law for this, you know. But and them still want beat Kartel. Them rather forgot try call up Kartel name and all of the things them from the past what them claim him used to do and say and go on with. And nobody remember this. By next week, nobody remember this. But every day they remember for say the worst things about Kartel and say Kartel are take God for fool and all type of thing and them are the fool. You see me? Because them don't even meds God. Them need to get locked up to so them can meds God and know what it is like for meds God. Because when you lock up in a cell, a God are the only thing you have to keep your sanity. If you're not meds God, you can't have your sanity. You have to turn something terrible, terrifying. You have to go stay by yourself. Now look from Bashy, about him a manager. See, me not see no manager pan, me not see no farmer manager pan that appearance, character, you know what I mean? Me no see no manager qualities pan that brother here. You see me? A badness them say, twin badness. Now the post is from Kishima, Zin. Now it says Chronicler manager asks for calm following DJ arrest. Meaning same ask the people him for calm down cause him see people are beat them and him know we are gonna beat them. So him put out this. Why would you want to put out this? Yeah, Chronicler forget beaten. Him forget beaten till him piss shit and spit. Him forget beaten. Because it show how done sim is. You can get released what the year and Jamaica glad for you and I celebrate you. Zine, and you take up your blood clot, done self, Ghana road again with gun it seems. Fuckery. Watch you now. Make we read what this say. So it's a chronicler manager Alexandra, right? Or Alexandre. Zine, it sound like Alexandre, or is either them can't spell. See me? Alexander, maybe. I don't know. You see me? So anyway, Alexandre, right? Alejandra. Bashy Jones. So his name is Alexandre Jones or Alexandre Bashy Jones has issued a statement following the DJ's reported arrest in South Florida. According to a statement sent to Music World Views, Bashy confirmed that the team is aware of reports surrounding the entertainer's detention and said their legal team is actively handling the matter. So what that means? Should una handle the matter? Una handle the matter. Una only can go find out what go on and try get lawyers. So what you mean? In Chronicle forget beaten, what the frig una talk about say people for easy pan what? About calm following people for stay calm following DJ's arrest. In Brighty, you see me? And both them are actively handle the matter. At this time, I asked the public, and then you hear where it said Bashy confirmed that the team, what the team? Are the team I write this? Bashy not look like somebody who is capable of writing all these things with the term actively and handling the matter. No, sir. Him is just a front. You get me I say? Him is just a front. So at this time, I asked the public members of the media and fans to remain calm and allow the legal process to take its course. The statement read, Arwa, Arwa, eh? Arwa, go for papin for go pump them Arwa, go for Babacan for go can them Arwa, go for you and then for den them Arwa, go for for go them Arwa, go for Jamaica for go them Arwa, go for Canada for go can them Arwa, do it in any way, go slow it even we do enough with Arwa. Go for Papin for go pump them Arwa. Go for Africa for go cut them Arwa. Go for Bombay for go bomb them Arwa. Go for Iraq them Arwa. Go for Iran for go run them Arwa. Ha ha. But if you can't do weather, then you're not better with the Arwa. Go for Bombay for go bomb them Arwa. Go for Brazil for go zill them Arwa. Go for Germany for germ them Arwa. Go for Argentina for team them Arwa. Go for my wife for them. Ha ha. Yeah, man, I that to do everywhere for beat them blood clot. Cause that the song representing, for go for everywhere for maul them. You see me? All you and then I'll go for where I go for. Make you and then come put them in our den. You see me? Go for papine. For go pop them blood naughty. Then, according to Bashy, he has full confidence that the matter will be addressed through the appropriate legal channels. So him wants a certain channel for talk about the matter, but him no want certain vlogger talk about it. You see how them bias and hypocritical. A mainstream media, him want talk about it, you know. Cause look what it say. Look what it say, no? Look what it say. according to a statement sent to World Music Views. So you see it? It was sent to Music Views. Who sent it? The Chronicler so-called manager Alexandre, Alexandra, Alexander, Alexandre, the amount of Alexander, I don't even know which one of them. See? So them send it because them favor certain. Yeah, that's why people know say the one Nico he might get paid from MASKITA team them for do what he might do, cause so them pick out certain, you see me, content creators and certain vloggers and then pay them. You see me, them have this rapport with them. You see me? So Bashy now come down all the way down here so. And I say about wait there. Yes, right there so. See that? I'm gonna move it on the focus right there, so I'm just draw the line. So it said, according to Bashy, he has full confidence that the matter will be addressed through the appropriate legal channels. He also urged persons to avoid speculation and the spread of unverified information while the case is being dealt with. Move from here, so you bumbuckler about it. What the bumbuckler? What kind of special treatment to the one? Eh? What kind of special treatment to the one? What the bumbuckler this? How the Kima tell people say? But no speculation. We have to speculate. We know say you're done for sure. Zine, and we know say Chronicle are done to make that move there. A big done spot move that. Because even in team, Uno is not in blood clot team. Because if Uno was in team, Uno wouldn't make sure, Uno that make sure say Uno artists stay far from them thing. So Uno feel as a team. Everybody does. Because first thing, when me see Chronicler forward out at the first time and get a second chance, if I was a part-time team, may I say, yo, hear me I say, anything you want a road, and me I go get it. We response for that. You just stay in our studio or stay here, so anyway you go make a carry you. You know I forgot. You see me, don't even drive, or we are drive here. You see me? Or left blood clot foreign and come cool out in a yard or cool out in one next country or somewhere in the Caribbean. Zine? But no, why them have to in America? Because some criminal blood clot ring a go on. Why the whole of them stuck up there? You see me, we know the Kartel thing different. Because Kartel have him family, Kartel not depend on the same madness with them gun smuggler and them other young boy and old man where try to scrape everything. Because them see Kartel riches and want have something to like that. But them a go about it the wrong way. Them don't have the blessing for can make music and sell and make money. But them blood clot expense look like it way more than what them are bringing. Them earnings is way less than how much them want to spend. So them do all type of other illegal activity. Before them go take them little money, go start a little business where you can have something to promote. Zine, imagine if Chronicle have something to promote, like how Soulja Boy them ever promote something as a young rapper. Him no in the bullshit. Soulja Boy is a cloud chaser, but not like how you see them youth here. You see me I say? The man them need to learn from the right blood clot people them man. You see me? So me could continue this. Out of respect for the ongoing legal, we're down here now guys, right at this paragraph here. Right? That is paragraph here. So it said, out of respect for the ongoing legal proceeding, will not be making any further comment at this time. The statement continued. Bashy also thanked fans around the world for continued prayers, love, and unwavering support in the DJ. This is not the first time Chronicle Law has faced trouble in the United States. The DJ was recently arrested in the US, sparking concern among friends on social media, fans on social media, right? Now look at this. Yeah, so this is it. Yeah, we are aware of the reports regarding Chronicle Law's detention in South Florida. At this time, I ask the public, members of the media, and fans to remain calm and allow the legal process to take its course. Our legal team is actively handling the matter, and I have full confidence that it will be addressed through the appropriate legal channel. So we are on a legal channel. We are a legal channel. You see it? The mainstream media, them boy I love, where them can buy out and have a say the right thing or say something when I'm meaningful. Because it meaningful when you bash them idiot, you have to make them dunce mistake, you know. So the little idiot them we are following them footsteps can see the bashing where them a get a no say don't go do that blood clot too, you know. You see me? Yeah. Cause you see it? When them thing are going, them a stifle other younger artists who want forward up and go travel the United States or the US. Cause you notice how the US a get stricter now? Them boy are shag it up. And then it come like a Andrew Wallness and him corruption kind of make US I work with Jamaican same way. You see what I say? All of them corruption they from leaders. That's why the US not really turn them back on we and shut we out completely. You see what I say? Because Andrew a sell we out. So even with the TCN law, with the third country them, then the third country national where them are sent come here. Then the deal is for us to accept outside criminals from all over the world, the Venezuelan them where them can't control America, the cartel Mexican them, all type of despicables where them are bring come here. The deal is for them to come here and our Jamaicans who get caught abroad in crime won't be deported. Not all of them will be deported to come back home. You know what I mean? That is a part of the deal, right? Because I read a report in one of my vlog where I come from the US state minister them. So, you see me? Wanna check out the video them if you want to see it. Now it said, out of respect for the ongoing legal proceeding, we will. I'm gonna show you what I'm there. Even though I probably read it already, we are gonna read over this paragraph here, right? So it said, out of respect for the ongoing legal proceeding, we will not be making any further comment at this time. I kindly ask everyone to refrain from speculation or the spread of unverified information while the matter is being addressed. Chronic Law and our entire team sincerely appreciate the continued love, prayers, and unwavering support from fans around the world. We ask for your patience as we allow the legal process to unfold. An update will be provided if and when it is appropriate to do so. Alexandra, Alejandra, Roberto. All right, so yeah, Alexandra, Alejandra, Bashy Jones, manager, Chronic Law. Him the manager for Chronic Law. Lies! We don't believe that. You see me? Manager somewhere supposed to look properly attired, you know what I mean? Wearing suit. I don't like see this one bag of tattoo culture. It's like when you look on some profession, some people were supposed to be professional. You see them with one bag of tattoo where, alright, like me, if I see all the police, even the foreign police, them were full, them and full of tattoo, and them in them uniform. I mean, I say, oh, would never, it could never sit well in my mind for no say the brother they are police and full of tattoos. So yeah, I say a manager you're full of tattoos. So you look more of a criminal than a police. You look more of a criminal than a manager, right? And then me I make it clear when it fall to Vybz Kartel and Tommy Lee, them are artists. So that different when them have tattoo, I don't know no bad, them are artists, them are entertainer. But when you're in some professional and have some great responsibility in society where the public expect you to, you know, to be of or to display a certain level of character, you know what I mean? And me see you with tattoo. It's like my mind show me say you're not that of a character to be trusted. You know what I mean? Yeah, so anyway, Chronic Law and our entire team sincerely appreciate and the continued love, prayers, whatever. We read all of that already. Zin? So Bashy is a joker, Chronic Law a joker. Bad Nation. I can't wait till Bad Nation beat him. Bumba and guess who's supposed to beat him? Probably Dagger. Probably Dagger go beat him too. Them forget Blood Clot beat him. Bad Nation. Me know Bad Nation I go beat Chronic Law. Big up yourself, Bad Nation. I mean him forget beating. You see what I say? One Kevin, I not say one Kevin I beat Chronic Law that much. I know say the Vendetta vlogger them I go beat Chronic Law. Zine? The Vendetta vlogger them I go beat Chronic Law. Like one when him one of the Vendetta vlogger them. Jason or something like so. No, Jason. one TikToker. You see me? I mean, name just something. But enough of them, man. Them a beat Chronicle. Him forget beating. I'll Bashy forget beating. Him forget Bash. You know him name Bashy. Him born forget a bashing. Cause everything when him do just rang up. You see me I say? Yeah, man. So we are any tier, you see me? So if I were Senate tier, coming us in a boy, when me fear appear inside of your hemisphere. Shot people tell them, watch him.
Again, you used to say you won't. You used to say the pre-order link gone from last week, the week before, who they are try or who they pre-order. Go back and pre-order the album again, please. Yeah, the amount of people they pre-order already. And we have to start back over from scratch again today. And it's only 4 days to go. So please, me I beg you, because I'm going to try sabotage Vybz Kartel album. So please, me I beg you, go back and pre-order the album again. So if you did pre-order already, the pre-order start over back from today. Please, me I beg you, so. The pre-order is done and void. Anything at all we did do last week, it don't count. Please go back and pre-order the album again. Please go back on iTunes and go back on Amazon and pre-order the album again. Now, when you go on iTunes, you're going to type in Vybz Kartel, God on Time in one word, God on Time. Everything joined together, Vybz Kartel, God on Time joined together, and you're going to scroll until you see the album, and you click on it and pre-order again. And please, if anybody believe that they was charging, you was not charged for the pre-order, it's going to charge you on the 5th. So if you did pre-order already, please me I beg you go back to it, because you see what bad mind people do. They might try to stop Vybz Kartel. So please me I beg you no, just go back and pre-order the album. The album they have to come along off of iTunes for like 5 days now. The album never did on iTunes for 5 days.
I know that messed up. Yo, I see him where YouTube look blood now Cartel when him there prison, you know. It look like all of them blood now platform you try to stop the Gaza, you know, and Cartel just unstoppable, you know. Yo, I'm back at Vybz Kartel is the big bang, a force to be reckoned with, but cannot be stopped. Remember say YouTube take with the man subscriber, then YouTube give him back him subscriber them. Then now YouTube a run from blood not cooperating with the world music platform where they're being sold, you know what I mean? Like the iTunes, the Spotify, and all of them thing there. Yo, a Cartel are the main danger. World great, world boss, heavyweight. Gaza celebrate. Yo, make sure to listen what Gaza uncle say. I gotta make sure checks to the pre-order work, you see it. God on Time, one word, GODANDTIME. Bomba, a girl can't be a D. Come a chat cash LAME. Yeah, I want the DEM. I want the and our pop down friend. She Shella DEY tell Foota MAI feel and die and go in the sky and RIP and die. I. Yo, I'm out. Yeah, my people, so that was the Hakeem them when me know about, you know. Nowadays the Hakeem them change to some bad man. That's why when you don't play with Kartel son, you see me? Hakeem, Jaim and Raim, they're all connected, son. You see me? Yeah, man, don't run for the Hakeem them. Them was born as a disciplined child, but somehow them got so wild. So what you know, make a read into the post here from Ita Tape, Gaza no, you see me? Well, it say, yeah, Ita tap on this, I don't know. Ita tap on this. I don't know what the hell that is saying, bruh. Or I take on this. Yeah, I take on this. That's the username of this page, right? So it says that Jamaican dancehall artist Chronic Law has reportedly. Yeah, my people. So I'm going to read over that because I have to pause a while ago. Pause. So Jamaican dancehall artist Chronic Law, right, has reportedly been arrested in Broward County, Florida. Broward. or Broward County. That's how they say it in Florida. Broward County. That's where Kodak Black's from. You know, and that's where his name Briscoe was located. I think Briscoe is free. They had free him up, right? Briscoe getting bail and thing. So he's not there anymore. But it's the same county jail there in Florida, Broward County, and his chronicler is being held there for the U.S. Marshal State. Hold on there, guys. Yeah. So what is this says? Yeah, I can hardly make out the screen because part of my screen cracking on my people. So I think it says the U.S. Marshal State on allegation of possession of firearm by a prohibited person. That means say him prohibit from carrying firearm. The last time them lock him up, them warn him and them prohibit him from using or from carrying firearm, right? And now he was caught again. So now he has no bond was listed at the hearing, I would believe, or the booking. Yeah. So them book him and there was no bond listed then for any chance of him being released on bond. Now these are allegations and he is presumingly innocent. I can hardly see the screen on my people, but may I get a new phone, man? Just wait. Presumingly innocent until proven guilty in court. You know what I mean? So he's presumingly innocent until proven guilty in court. But like a tongue twister something there. Like a mind-boggling type of statement, you know? And you see how chronicler dark. You see me? But me not blame him like everybody else for being caught with a firearm because you don't know the man a bad man, you see me? And if you deal with badness, you can't left your strap or else you're dead. And we don't want chronicler dead. As much as I know my artist, I'm a beat him about him music when I not like. You get me I say? So that still not gonna make me glad for see. You see me? Anything bad reach him. If it was MASKITA now, would have glad say it reach MASKITA, but MASKITA a good boy. You can't expect MASKITA to get locked up. He is favored by the mainstream devil in. I remember we telling us that anything mainstream, where it's so favored by mainstream, then you have to be careful. They're a plant, industry plant. Zin? And we know say we can't look for say MASKITA or hear say MASKITA get no catch with no gun illegally. It's me like even Laden. Laden them we are better than MASKITA. MASKITA them can't size up to Laden. MASKITA can't size up to Ritical when you talk about streets. You get me I say? MASKITA lightweight. You see me? Never broke a rule, never broke a fight. You see me I say? Now go to the next slide now. So these are the information where them make you know about chronicler being arrested, right? And charged. Okay, so this post is from Broward County mugshot, right? So we have chronicler government name at the top that spell Akeem Jermaine Campbell, right? So theme Akeem kind of spelled different from the regular Akeem, them with 2 E together and the M at the end. Right now, chronicler is age 32. Then chronicler 32. How much him weigh? 220 pounds. I saw chronicler go on. Jaja, dog, weighty, and I know him well to talk about him health and him stealth. You see me? Gender, male. You see me? Race, black for B. Sign, Sagittarius. What? Him born December. Big up yourself, chronicler. Chronicler born December. I should have know. Then, so location, main jail, where him there, arresting agency, the marshal service, and them pick him up because of them issue the restriction and the prohibit him from use of firearm, right? Now his arrest date is the 5th of the 7th, right? 2026. So it says that someone allegedly wanted by the U.S. Marshals is accused of possessing a firearm while being a prohibited person. So I'm not supposed to be using firearm or carrying firearm or in the dealings of firearm, right, due to his previous arrest, right? Now, it means they are legally barred from owning or carrying a gun. The whole means federal authorities have flagged this person and local law enforcement is essentially holding him until the marshal can take over. This is the first time this page have featured this person. Bumbuckler, the chronicler. You might get him first featured. Bumbuckler. Broward County has logged 641 bookings over the last 7 days, and 84 of those involve a weapon. Hold on. A weapon related charge. Okay. Now I see what's going on. All right. So, Broward County, right? The police station there has logged 641 bookings over the past 7 days, and 84 of those out of the 641 booking and arrests, 84 of those involve a weapon, right? Related charge. So this kind of arrest is far from rare around here. A prohibited person firearm case typically means that an underlying reason, such as a prior felony conviction and other disqualifying factors that makes gun possession a federal offense on top of any state charges. When federal authorities are involved, the next step usually moves out of the country. Bumbleclot. So you see that? Chronicle will get move out of the country because the next step, them say federal offense on top of any state charges, right? All right, so this is what them say. Them say when federal authorities are involved, the next step usually moves out of the country, courthouse, and into the federal system. Okay, me see what them must say. Because federal different from state charge, you see me? Yeah, so when the federally them a deal with your thing, different from states. You see me? Church and state. What is it now? Courthouse and into the federal system. Bond decision and hearing work a little different from the standard local case. Okay? And there's more. Yeah, my phone screen kind of crack people, so don't have to sue with me, you see me? Oh, when they could have. Yeah, my people, yeah, my people. So this is it, right? We got through this already on the first one, but I have to go through this again. Now, Chronicler arrested again, right? Dancehall artist Chronicler arrested in Florida per latest report. Campbell Akeem Jermaine. Right? Akeem Jermaine Campbell, right? That is how it is. Jermaine in middle name, Akeem first name, Campbell last name. He is held for U.S. Marshal Office, possession of firearm by prohibited person, bail 000, hasn't released any post bail as yet, right? So them are going to work him case because it's serious. You see what I say? Now, Chronicler is age 32, height 5'11", we got through that, weight 220 pounds, gender male, race black, Sagittarius, location, main jail, arresting agency, marshal service, arrested date, we've been through that, the 5th of July, 2026, a prohibited person firearm case typically means there's an underlying reason, such as a prior felony conviction or other disqualifying factor that a marshal that a what? Let me see this. Okay, Yeah, so conviction or such as a prior felony conviction or other disqualifying factors that makes possession a federal offense on top of any state charges. When federal authorities are involved, then steps usually move out of the country courthouse into federal system where bond decision are and hearing work a little different than a standard case. You know what I'm saying? And that is what we've been saying about federal charges. You know what I mean? It's different from the regular gun charges, different from the regular court case and hearing. Federal are more serious, more serial, more, you get me I say? Yes, a more serious crime and it is dealt with more seriously. Federal prison, federal state penitentiary, federal charges, the federally. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Now we have a video, we have an expose with Bashy, because Bashy had made a post. Bashy, who Chronicler claim is his manager. But we know say not really no manager, it's like him use that as a excuse, you know? Like Jamaicans will we get to bridging them abroad by saying them our chef and them a this and them a that. But we see say Chronicler depend some gangster timing, some demon time. Because guess what? As much as me made it clear say a gangster can't left them weapon, you know. Then we still have to beat Chronicler for not having the intelligence for no say him already got caught the other day, arrested and released. So here what you do, since you're a bad man, you go lock in, quarantine like Corona, take away yourself off of the road so them can't get for catch you with no weapon. But it look like Chronicler want get up every day and a link up man and still up on the grind. That's why you see, as much as the American them clamp down on this Jamaican gun smuggling ring, the man them where I bring bag of gun at Jamaica. It is just a small fraction of what Jamaicans are going with over there. Same way it seems. You get me I say? Because we not forgot the road there. We don't want we youth them a go the road there. You see me I say? You them can go over there, go do something better, more uplifting and give Jamaica a good name. But you know, when we say we need the gangsters them, yes, but them for be more intelligent. You get me I say? Chronicler should have been more lucky in. We might do a road so forget catch. Not even 2 months good after him get released. You know what I mean? Like that show say him dance, him slower. You see me? Slower. So I'm showing you the next one with Bashy, who them say I'm so-called manager. But we know say the damager, him sidekick, him party, where you want a partner in crime. You see me? Because Bashy no look like a youth when know about managing skills and all of them things. Come on, be real. You see me? Be real. And you know say Chronicler not really my artist. And now me realize say him forget a beating. Him forget a beating. I'm glad say the vlogger them a beat him feet. You see it? The vlogger them a beat him feet. Because him shouldn't make them catch him even so fast. You see me? Lock in your place and promote your album. This look like him all a chase clout too. Like him want get arrested. You see me I say? For boots the seal and the stream I'm album when him just release or the project if it's not an album.